If you follow this recipe and your beans that you make is not sweet, message me and I'll give you my address and you'll come and beat me, because this recipe the best. Let's go, people. Let's go. Straight right into it. Mistake number one is using any beans that is not honey beans. Like, you can't do that. Honey beans or nothing. Moving next, you pick out your beans because stones and all of that now, and then you wash it. So when you wash your beans, another thing you want to do is use hot water to speed up the process. So like, instead of putting water on fire, just boil water and put it. Use onions. You can add some other aromatics like garlic, but I just use onions because that's all I had for this particular batch. So forget the beans on fire. Now you need to make your fish. I'm using fish on my protein. You don't have to put fish, but I really like fish, so yeah. Put the fish inside the oven and also forget it on fire. Actually, don't forget it. Don't burn your house. Just put it in for like 30 minutes and you should be fine. I'm using 4 bell peppers here and I'm just going to blend it up, and the fish was done, so I just like kind of pieces it, right? So another thing that people mistake here is it's stewed beans. So like, you need to like build up the flavors. You can't just cook the beans and pour oil and pour like the fish and everything. The flavors are not building up. Like, but if you have a rich stew base of bell peppers are like the best in this life actually. If you have a rich stew base, then you can add your beans. Like, see, I've made this stew, it has cooked, the fish has cooked, it's like fish sauce. Then I've not added sweet corn, and then I'm not going to add my beans. Like, that's what builds the flavor up. I'm telling you, try out this recipe. Like, try out this method of cooking your beans. Even if you don't put corn, try out the method of cooking your beans, and it is an absolute game changer. Like, look how rich and luxurious not luxurious, but it looks really good and it tastes really amazing as well. Like, I made it for my family and like my family was like, girl, paired it up with plantain because that's the next best thing after sliced bread. And let me know if you tried this recipe. Subscribe for more. Bye.